G'day. Today I'm gonna cook chicken schnitzel. This is from the supermarket, but then I'm gonna turn it into a Parma. I've got spaghetti sauce here that I made. Put a bit of ham, cheese on it. Put it back in the air fryer, melt it all, heat it up. So yeah, so we'll try that, see how it goes. And we'll just put the schnitzels in. I've got some parch paper in there. I'll just put the schnitzels in, straight in. So it's saying you can cook them. Look, on the box it's got ready in 16 minutes. That's in with the air fryer. So I'll put them in for 8 minutes and then we'll turn them over and put them in for another 8 minutes. Put it on 200. We'll go 8 minutes. Then after the 8 minutes, we'll turn them over, put them in for another 8 minutes. All right, just turn them over. Put them in for another 8 minutes at 200. All right, she's done now. There you go, look at that. That's cooked. All right, so now I'm going to put some spaghetti sauce on top. This is the spaghetti sauce that I made. There we go. Spaghetti sauce. Put the ham on. Now we'll put some cheese. Bit of Parmesan cheese on it. And a slice of this plastic cheese. I like this cheese, it's good. Now we'll put it in. Put it in for 2 minutes at 200. Then she should be done. Righto, she's done now. Yeah, it looks good. It's not bad. Let's get it out now. There we go. Homemade spaghetti sauce, ham, cheese. Let's have a look. That's good. That's really nice, that. That's easy, quick. Better than the boring old schnitzel. Turn it into a Parma. Beautiful. I like that. There's my lunch. See you in the next one.